Hello, uh, welcome to the new video. In this video, I will show you how can you manage your order from your website. Uh, Suppose if your customer can put the all the details here and just and make sure the place order, then you find this order details in the woocommerce the backend. You need to the first of all you need to the go to the woocommerce sections, and you just click on hover over on woocommerce and click on orders. When you click on orders, and you can make the all kinds of order list which is placed on your customers. And suppose this is the order which is placed recently. Most of the time you just when you place on the order from the front end, the current order should be the visible in the front of this list. Suppose for now this is the order, then we just click on this order title. When you click on that, you can find these types of things and these types of things. And you can find the billing address, and you can the shipping address, and whatever the information they pass uh, from the front end. uh, all kinds of information you find on the backend in this part. Suppose everything you collect about the order, then everything will be okay. And if you receive the payment and now you will want to make this order completed, then you just make change the status. Here is the status. You just click on that, and you can use the multiple kinds of status like pending payment, processing, completed, cancelled, refunded. You can failed. You can choose any kinds of status. Suppose you want to make this status completed, then you just need to the click on completed. And after you completed this order, and in the in the right hand side, you can also the after check these things, you just click on the okay, go to the right side. And if you want to make the order receipt, then you just need to the PDF packing slips or PDF invoice. Just click on that. When you click it, you generate invoice like this. And you can use you can send this from your customer, or if you want you can use these things anything. And if you want to click on packing slip, uh, it should be the same things. Packing slips, one is the packing slips and one is the invoice. uh, you can use any one for this. And like this, and just click on this. You just need to the choose. You can also the chosen of action email, invoice, order email to the customer. And if you want to select this thing, the invoice should be the pass from the uh, client email. If then you just need to the click on update. Just click on update. When the loaded, the order will be the completed. uh, yeah, that's it. That's in this the order will be the updated, or the order will be the completed. And if you let me show another quick uh, demo of the order management. First of all, you need to hover over an woocommerce, then click on order. And then suppose this status are changed to the completed. Suppose you want to change these things also. Sorry for that. Suppose you want to make this suppose you want to work on this order, so suppose just click on this, and everything will, if everything will be okay, then just make this status to complete it, and just PDF, and generate the PDF, and then the order action, you just select these things: email, invoice, and order details. Then you just click on update, and this is the order will be the completed. Hope you will understand how can you manage the order from the backend. If you have any further question, you can unlock me, or whenever you want. I will definitely try to help this out to you. Thank you so much. I will uh, I will make another video for you. That will be the post, and the blog post. How you can create a blog post and how can publish a blog post. I will make a video on that. So see you on this video, on the next video. Thank you. Thank you so much.